It got cold fast tonight, and we realized we were out of firewood. So before calling it a night, we handled it the only way we know how. Pick up the axe and get to work. Hey guys, listen to Sean and I's dialogue about the position of the axe. He wanted me to take a still picture. I thought it was so funny. I ended up taking a picture.
I take a still picture.
I'm not taking a still picture.
Supposed to take a still picture of that.
Too funny, guys. Hey, from the block to the barn, we make it work. This is Farm Life Diaries.